And I've been watching a lot of data points in recent weeks, whether it's hotel occupancy, which has fallen over the last 4 to 5 weeks, now at 61%, or TSA numbers, which show that fewer people are boarding flights. Do these data points suggest that, this Labor Day weekend won't be as strong when it comes to travel? People are rethinking whether they should get out there.
Thank you for having me. We are starting to see that slowdown of summer travel. At the beginning of the summer, the travel industry was really excited for, rising vaccination rates, lowered hospitalization rates, and this was supposed to be the summer of travel. People were extremely excited to get back out there, to travel internationally, to travel domestically, and now we're starting to see a slowdown. And that's because of a few things. Obviously, that is due to the coronavirus situation in the US, but also more people, from what I'm seeing in my own reporting, more people are more likely to want to stay home going into Labor Day and going into the fall. More people will want to stay closer to home, rather.
How has that affected prices? I know I've seen the average cost of a hotel room come down, but are there good deals right now?
There are always good deals, and that's the important thing to know. Flight deals can happen at any point. I tell people this all the time. There is no secret sauce for booking those cheap flight deals. You just have to be ready to book when you see a cheap fare. We're always seeing flights to Europe around $400, business class flights to Europe sometimes around $1,500 to $1,800. Those cheap flights between parts of the East Coast and Miami or Orlando, those typically hover around $50 to $70. Even transcontinental flights can hover around $150. And so even though we're seeing this slowdown in travel, the flight deals, the hotel deals are still there.
Yeah, you got to hunt for those deals. What do you make of this new guidance from the CDC that, hey, if you're unvaccinated, stay at home? Do you think Americans listen to the CDC? Do they respond to the guidance coming from the CDC?
I would say it's important to know that this guidance is not really unsurprising. The CDC has consistently said if you are unvaccinated to number one, get vaccinated, but to avoid doing things that would put you in contact with other unvaccinated people, but also vaccinated people. And so going into the Labor Day holiday, it's going to be interesting to see if we see a rebound in air travel or if we see a continuous slowdown. But again, it is important to know that we have been seeing this slowdown in air travel for the last couple of weeks or so, which is again, the complete opposite of what we were seeing in the early summer. We were hitting, air travel was hitting it well over 2 million every day.
Hottest destination right now, quickly, Vicky?
Hottest destination right now, I would say parts of the Caribbean, Mexico City, Europe is a really big destination right now. People are going to Paris, Rome, Sicily. So I would say those are really the hottest destinations for travelers right now.